Are the teachers at your child's school learning too? You might want to find out, because fewer than half of teachers surveyed say they're getting professional development that meets their needs. That's unfortunate, because teaching is the strongest school-related factor on student learning. Here's how one school has invested in its teachers.
Training new teachers is really important to us because we want to make sure that our students get the best quality education we can provide, no matter if they're teachers in their first year or the teachers in their 20th year. So we spend a lot of time in the beginning of every year really cultivating our new teachers and preparing them even before school starts for the classroom. So in August, before school starts, teachers are practicing their lesson plans and learning new techniques that are really going to help them with classroom culture at the beginning of the year. Throughout the year, we have practice clinics.
Sort of how you can very easily engage all students during certain moments of the lesson.
During those practice clinics, the teachers practice one technique for half an hour straight. And what we want to do in those moments is really hone in on one key item that's going to really move the lever for that teacher's classroom.
You can actually create the illusion of speed within your lesson, which will also shift engagement. And so that's what we're going to practice today.
Every teacher in our building has an instructional leader. And that instructional leader works with their teachers every week to observe teachers, give them any coaching or real-time feedback in the moment in their classrooms.
So I should see more hands. Driana.
And then it also helps that teacher grade and look at student work. I've taught in a lot of places, and I've never seen a model work as well as our instructional leadership model.